some reason I make careless mistakes. Like for example here, I was going against I believe it was Corvette. It was a Corvette, and what happened was it was really rough, burnt the tires. So here I was going against Corvette, burnt the tires really bad, and so forth. And my reaction time was poor, and also the my 60 foot wasn't too bad, but you know, I guess that extra time gave me a 17-1 on that run. So maybe I might drop it down to 2,000 RPM, maybe 1,900 RPM. Drop it, hold it out. Hopefully I get grip. I don't know if I should roll the clutch or not. I'm not sure. I'm racing the diesel. Hopefully I don't get gapped. Alright, here's one thing. So what happened was the car actually hesitated to move. It might be an injector problem or maybe a fuel pump problem. I haven't really figured it out yet, but it actually gave me a low enough launch where I didn't, you know, spin and burn the tires. And actually I got a 16.9 on this run. So my reaction time was pretty decent, a 5.66 and so forth. And I was by myself, which helps a lot. I actually do better when I'm by myself. When when the pressure's on, I guess. The time when I was racing this one here was roll racing. So I was racing this GTR. So the GTR took off, but roll racing is pretty interesting. It's hard to really figure out when to go and when not to go, but I keep traction throughout all for the roll racing, so it was doing pretty well. But I averaged out like a top speed of 83 to 80 on all the runs. I do not have, my speedo doesn't work, so I don't think the car knows how fast it's going. So I kind of don't have a governor. I tested out a little bit, but I let off. But there's no need to really go that fast. But I do have a rev limiter, so that's pretty good, so we don't blow the engine up or anything like that. Alright.